Are you bored of eating plain bland chapatis every day? Then try this new version of carroty healthy chapati. First, in a bowl, add about half cup of grated carrot, then 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Add a pinch of salt and give the whole mixture a really good mix. Mix them evenly. After doing that, add required amount of water and mix them well. Make sure that you do not make it too hard nor soft dough. Then dust some flour on your rolling pin. Roll your chapati into whatever shape you want. Make sure that you do not add more dusting flour. Be careful at this stage because this might be a bit tricky. Then heat up your pan. Dust the excess flour on the chapati and cook your chapati for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. Add some oil for taste because without oil this does not taste too good, but make sure not too much. I just added about half teaspoon. Then once your chapati is cooked on both sides, this is ready to be enjoyed. You can have this with a different variety of curries, but today, to make it even more healthier, I'm having it with my vegetable raita. I hope that all of you will try the healthy version of chapati and enjoy. Do like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.